Hi, students. Welcome back to our next online class of moral science. Today, we will be doing Unit 9 The Power of Love, page number 38. Unit 9 The Power of Love. The power of love. Where there is love, there is happiness. All the religions in the world teaches us to love. The moment we nurture a love in our hearts, life becomes a different experience. The following sentence will tell you what real love is. Love. Love is always selfless, not selfish. Love is boundless, not limited. Love makes everybody happy. Love makes sharing its habit. Love is helpful, not envious. Love is pure, not corrupted. Love is joy, not sorrow. Love takes no revenge. Love is true, not false. Love is beauty of life. Love is forgiveness. Love is happiness. So, children, these are some of the rich qualities of love. You all love your parents, teachers, etc. You all must be experiencing these essential qualities of love now and then. Love makes a difference. Love makes a difference. The great Zen teacher Benzi had many pupils. He taught them in the importance of various values, including truthfulness. One day, one of them was caught for stealing by his fellow students, and they reported him to Benzi. But the master took no action against the boy. A few days later, the same boy was again caught for stealing, and again Benzi did nothing. This made other students angry. They submitted a petition to the master to dismiss the student. They threatened to leave the institution if the boy was allowed to stay. The teacher called a meeting of the students. When they had assembled, he said to them, "You are good boys who know what is right and what is wrong. If you leave this school, you will have no trouble in joining some other schools. But what about your brother who does not even know the difference between right and wrong? Who will teach him if I don't? No, I cannot ask him to go even if it means losing all of you." Tears ran down the cheeks of the boy caught for stealing. He fell on the feet of his master, seeking forgiveness. He never stole again and in later life became famous for his truthfulness. The master proved that love has more power to unite this world than an atomic bomb to destroy it. Banzi was a great teacher who taught importance of various values of love and truthfulness. He had a student who used to steal. Twice he was caught, but the teacher never punished him. The other students threatened the teacher that they would leave the institution if that boy stays. The teacher called for the meeting and told the boys that all of them are good and has capability to understand what is right and wrong, but he would not let the other boy leave the institution even if all may go. Hearing all this, the boy who was caught for stealing started crying and fell on the feet of his master seeking forgiveness. The boy never stole in his life, and the master proved that love has all the power to unite people. Students, note down the date at the top of the page 40. Page number 40. Activity time part 1. Answer the following questions in one or two sentences. Answer the following questions in one or two sentences. Part A. Love is happiness. Explain. Love is happiness. Explain. Answer is love teaches forgiveness, comma, sharing and makes everybody happy. Full stop. Love teaches forgiveness, sharing, and makes everybody happy. B part. What is the central teaching of all the religions? What is the central teaching of all the religions? Answer is to love each other. Answer is to love each other. C part. What is the moral behind the story? What is the moral behind the story? Love has the power to unite the world. Love has the power to unite the world. Part 2. Write true or false. Write true or false. A. Love is selfish. False. Love is selfish. False. B. Love makes sharing its habit. True. Love makes sharing its habit. True. C. Love makes everybody sad. False. Love makes everybody sad. False. Check your answers. False, true, false. Floral carpet of love. Floral carpet is an expression of happiness. The one designed below indicates that we will be happy when we give and receive love. Now write the names of those you love most on the petals. Children, here we will write the names of the person we love the most. The first one, God, G capital, God, then parents, P capital, then grandparents, G capital. Next is sibling, SIBLING, sibling. Then next is teachers, then neighbors, NEIGHBOURS, NEIGHBOURS, neighbors. Then friends, and last one is cousins. Friends and cousins. Once again, I am going to repeat it. God, parents, grandparents, siblings, teachers, neighbors, friends and cousins. So student, with this we have completed our unit. Read the lesson thoroughly again and again, as the questions will be set from within the lesson. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe, and wish you a very happy new year.